Hello and welcome. My name is Clara and this is Learn and Grow English. Today we talk about you. Your story. The story only you can tell. Many people feel nervous to introduce themselves in English. They say my name is, I am a student. And then they stop. They feel it is not enough. They feel boring. But you are not boring. Your story is interesting. You just need the right words. The simple words. Today I will give you a new way to introduce yourself. A simple way. A confident way. Your introduction is a gift. You give someone a small piece of your world. Let us prepare that gift together. First, let us talk about the old way. The standard introduction. My name is name. I am from country. I am a job. This is good. It is correct. But it is like showing someone a closed door. It gives facts but not feeling. Now the new way. This is like opening the door and inviting someone inside. The new introduction has 3 special parts. Part 1 is still your name. This is important. Part 2 is your connection. What connects you to life? Part 3 is your spark. The small light inside you. We will build this new introduction step by step. With simple sentences. We start with part 1. Your name and your city. But we say it with a little more color. Instead of only I am from Tokyo. We can say I live in Tokyo, a city that is always moving. Or I am from a small town near the mountains. The sentence is I live in a place that is description. Listen to my example. I live in Lisbon, a city full of light and blue tiles. Now think about your place. Is it busy? Is it quiet? Is it green? Is it by the sea? Choose one simple word or a short phrase. You can say I live in Seoul, a city that never sleeps. I live in a village surrounded by fields. I live in Mexico City, a huge and colorful place. So part 1 is my name is name. I live in a place that is description. Take a moment. Think of your sentence. Now part 2. Your connection. This means what connects you to the world every day. What is your main activity? Instead of I am a student. We say I spend my days studying subject and learning how to skill. Instead of I am an engineer. We say I use my days to solve problems and build things. The idea is to show the action. The energy. You can say I spend my days teaching children how to read. I use my time creating beautiful designs on my computer. I fill my days taking care of my family and my home. This is an important job. I am exploring different jobs right now and I enjoy learning new skills. Think. What is the main action of your day? Studying. Creating. Helping. Organizing. Cooking. Building. The sentence is I spend my days verb and verb. Find your 2 actions. Now the best part. Part 3. Your spark. This is the small light inside you. Your passion. The thing that makes you smile. The thing you do for fun, for joy, for peace. This is not your job. This is for your heart. Maybe it is I have a passion for growing plants on my balcony. Maybe it is in my free time I love to walk in nature and listen to the birds. Maybe it is my secret joy is dancing to old music in my living room. Maybe it is I really enjoy finding new recipes and cooking for my friends. Maybe it is I feel calm when I write in my journal every evening. Think. What is your spark? What do you love? The sentence is and in my heart I really love to activity. Or my secret joy is activity. Or I feel peaceful when I activity. Choose one. This is your spark. Now let us put all 3 parts together. Listen to my complete introduction. My name is Clara. I live in Lisbon, a city full of light. I spend my days creating podcasts and helping people learn English. And in my heart I really love to walk by the ocean and watch the sunset. This is my story. Short. Simple. True. And it shows who I am. Now it is your turn. I will say it slowly. You say it with me in your mind. My name is your name. I live in your place, a place that is your description. I spend my days your action and your action. And in my heart I really love to your spark. Say it again in your mind. This is your new introduction. Practice this introduction alone first. Say it to your mirror. Say it while you cook. Record it on your phone and listen. The words will become comfortable. They will become yours. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You need to be clear. You need to be you. When you say this introduction, you are not just giving information. You are giving a feeling. You are saying, this is me. I have a place. I have a purpose. I have a joy. That is confidence. Thank you for being here and working on your story. You have a beautiful story to tell. Your mission this week is to practice your new introduction 3 times. Say it to yourself. Then if you feel brave, say it to one safe person. Or write it down. Keep your story close to your heart. And when the moment comes, share it with confidence. I am so proud of you for doing this work. Remember, your voice matters. Your story matters. Until next time, this is Clara reminding you to speak your truth. Goodbye.